Okay, let me talk about the feature reporting dashboard. So this is a very big feature, and the idea was before you used to have the Jenkins Cucumber reports in one place. You'll have the trend reports inside the IDE. You'll have the root cause analysis maybe on your Jenkins, but they're all different reports. Why not consolidate them, improve them, and give you a single stop to get all your reporting and draw business insights, like a better management function, and try and really understand what are the underlying issues in your application. So the way you would set this up is you'll hit this little new reporting icon on your project, and then you will add your main test suite that you use on your CI server. And remember, you can add many here, and then you can switch between them. Let's say you have one with regression test and one with full sanity maybe. But don't worry about that. Let me just go into, as soon as you set that up, I prepared a report here. So this project has a lot of data in it. So then this starts becoming really interesting. So, you have one run, two test runs, not so much value. You start having 10, 50, 100, then you can see trends and patterns and understand what's really going on with your application. So the first thing you can see is at the top, you'll have a time, and you'll think, well, for Cucumber, is this really important? No, it's not. The Cucumber report is just a snapshot. But what it does is, let's say I do last 6 months, then what you can see is that this top timeline where you can navigate becomes very long, and you can actually go back to anywhere in time and look at those reports. But not only that, when you scroll down, we recalculate these things, all the averages where you compare. And as you scroll down, not only are you getting your Cucumber overview where you have the feature breakdown with failed steps, scenarios, and features, as you scroll down, you also get your root cause analysis. And as you can see, I haven't defined these. So these are the real problems that I'm getting from the application logs. And remember, you can now use this pen to match the error hash here to a real named uh, error that you have a root cause. And then you can say, hey, this might be an automation issue, an application issue, or this is unknown. And then you can use that to provide even more information by clicking root causes here. But I'll probably make a separate video on this because it's quite elaborate on how to use this in a good way. But as you scroll down, now we have a long period of time. So you see there's a lot of test data, but I can see how the pass percentage is evolving over time. And I can also see the evolution of the execution time. So let's say you made a database upgrade, some refactoring, you can see how did that event affect the execution time. And then of course, more complex, you can see this aggregate result over the time period compared to the last result. So here you can identify not only the anomalies or is this failure normal compared to the average run, you can also see is this execution time normal compared to the average time. So the idea is here you will have an understanding of as soon as you start accumulating data over time, instead of trying to go to Jenkins, go to your X-ray, go and get your root cause analysis and your trend reports, we get you everything on that in one place. We allow for you to, find these underlying root causes. Maybe some are, I know this is an automation issue. This is a real application issue. You can link them to your own ticketing system. So there's a lot in here to go over, but please look at this, explore it, and let us know what you want to see here.